Okay, good evening, everyone. Just a quick one. I just want to give you tips on how to use your Pixel Lab on how to design. For those of you that don't have the app, you kindly go to Play Store and search for Pixel Lab and download it. And the particular one we are using is this. This is the one we are using. So you open it. When you open it, you are going to create account on it. Then this is your new page now. To start your design, this particular text, new text, you delete it. Now. It's just a plain background. Firstly, you give it the color you want. You click on it. Then this, you either any of, you come to this one, the last one, choose color depending on what you want to use. But let's go with see, these are the colors that are here. But if you want to choose a particular color, you click one instead of gradient. You click color. Now this is the one color you want, any color you want to choose. Then you go up here, you add that plus sign, then you choose the particular color you want to use. But for now, we are going with two colors, which is white and red. So you give it the background to be white. You give it a white background. Then you click here. The next thing, you come to this circle here. Then click on shapes. This is your shape now. Then you give your shape a color. You click here. Okay, this is your shape now. You scroll down and choose color. Now this color, depending on the color you want to use. So you scroll and check the color you want to use. We said red. We're using red, and you come here, bring it back to this side so that it's going to be red in all. Then you okay. Now you draw it like this to this side. You place it on the middle of your design. Now this is red on white background. Then you click here. The next thing is what you are writing. What you are writing. Let's say we are writing a house for rent. Then you click this A sign, then text. Now you draw it to the center and edit. When you click on edit, you delete this new text and write what you want to write. Let's say 2 bedroom, like this, and okay. Now you increase the size and you bring it up here. This should be of the first thing you are writing on your design. Now this is 2 bedroom. The next thing is to change the color. You scroll and check the color you want to look. Scroll left. This color now, you click it and choose the particular color you want to use. Any color you want, but let's go with black. The next thing is font. You are going to change the font to the font you want to use. Then you scroll this font, this AB, you click on it. Then you scroll and choose the font you want to use. When you are clicking, the font is showing up here. Now you choose, this is the font I want to use, this particular font. You click on it, then okay. Now this is your design. Or let's change the font to something else. Then you scroll and keep checking till you get the particular font you want to use on your design. Let's keep checking. Okay. Let's use this font now. This 2 bedroom. Then the next thing is to copy this thing and paste it again. You click on copy. This is your copy. You click on it. Then you bring it down. Then you edit it. Then you write your next line. For rent. Then you okay. Then increase the size, make it very bold, and change the color to white for people to be able to see what you have written. Now the next thing, you increase it to fit to what you want. The next thing, you copy this first one, 2 bedroom, you copy it, bring it down, then you edit it. You write for inquiry. This is it. Okay, then you reduce it a little bit, then copy it again, bring it down, and write the phone numbers you want to use, the phone numbers that they can call to reach out, depending on what you want to write. If phone number, Facebook name, anything you want to write, but it's phone numbers we are using for this. Okay, the next thing, you can see your writing is in 2 lines, the phone number is in 2 lines, then you draw it here from site. For it to be able to go on 1 line, you draw it to side. But if you want it to be 2 lines, you can still leave it, you reduce it like this for it to be 2 lines, but let's make it 1 line like this. This is what we are looking for. Now the next step, if your design is not balanced, you have to make it to balance. Let everything be in center, then you arrange it again. You check what is not correct in my design. You check, okay, bring it down this number, then increase it a little bit, then this for inquiry, still increase it a little bit, then bring this down a little bit, then increase it the size. Now this 2 bedroom, make it to be 2 bedroom flat instead. Then you click on edit again, then you write it 2 bedroom flat. Okay, now this thing is not in center, then you scroll and check. Okay, come to align, click on align. Now you justify it, then click on this center one for it to be on center. Now your flat has come to the center of the middle of your design, then you tick it like this. That is it. A very simple way to do this design. Now to save your work, there are 3 types, there are 3 different ways. Now to save it as project, this, you click it, then write the name you want to use to save it. Write the name you want to use and save your work. Let's use 2 bedroom, then okay, this now has been saved. It has been saved to the app. So when you want to see it, when you want to edit it, you can come log into the app, you see it in your project. For example, this is my project, you see it there. When you click it, these are the work you have done. Those are the work that you have done. So if you want to save it to your phone, you click that same place, this place, you click on it, save as image, you click on save as image. Now there are 3 formats. These are the formats that different formats. You can save it as JPEG. This JPG is JPEG. Then the next one PNG. So if you want to save it, use PNG instead of JPEG. Use PNG. Then the dimensions, you click it. This is just like the quality. If you want it to be default, custom, low, medium, high, very high, ultra. But let's use ultra for the quality to be high. You use ultra to save your work. Now the next thing, save to gallery. Your design has been saved to your gallery. You can go to your phone gallery and check your design, what you have just designed. Now when you come to your gallery, this is your design that you have just done. You can send it to your customer for everyone you want to send. Thank you so much, and keep anticipating for more tips for this design.